Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Sailing Prosperity. We just had to start this one with these magical beach and sunset moments, and then jump straight into some fun drone flying while I was chasing Karoline in the forest. I never thought chasing my own daughter with a drone would be this much fun, but flying between the trees in this beautiful forest turned out to be quite a challenge too, and in many ways that actually sums up our life these weeks. Soon I will return to Norway for rehabilitation treatment for long-lasting fatigue. Recovery is slow, sometimes frustratingly slow, but this journey is about more than sailing. It's about family, resilience, and learning to navigate life storms together. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We left the freezing cold and windy Norway, and we are sharing our journey with you. Ready for jaw-dropping adventures, mind-blowing places, and a whole lot of fun from our family of 5. Whether you're here for the magic sunsets, epic challenges, or just a good laugh, we've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and join us in this incredible journey. Let's make every second count. Some moments at sea feel almost unreal. Looking at these drone shots is a perfect example of that. Golden sunsets, quiet beaches, and chasing my daughter through the forest with a drone. But what you don't always see behind moments like these is everything that happens off camera. I have to admit, I never thought it would be this fun chasing my daughter with a drone. But as you will see, flying between the trees in this beautiful forest was also quite a challenge. And in many ways, that really sets the tone for our life these weeks. Life is a journey, and I truly could not have chosen a better family to share that journey with. But the weeks after these shots were filmed have been incredibly challenging for us in so many ways. And as I have said before, editing these videos has become a kind of therapy for me. It gives me the chance to relive every moment, to zoom in on those smiles, the laughter, and those small happy faces that make everything worthwhile. That is what makes my life worth living. Sometimes people tell us that our life looks so easy on the screen, like an endless adventure. But the truth is, even though our lifestyle may look very different from most people's, in many ways our lives are just the same. We still have to deal with income and expenses, responsibilities, education of our children, illness in the family, relationships with those around us, and with those that we left behind. And we have our own health challenges as well. Both Catherine and I are working through our own issues, and our kids have their own challenges too. We are simply trying to make the best out of the cards life has dealt us. But at the same time, we know that so many people have it much harder. So we are not complaining, we are just explaining. Soon I will return to Norway for rehabilitation treatment for long-lasting fatigue. And for the superhero I like to imagine that I am, the fall has been hard. The recovery is slow, very slow. At least that is how it feels. Sometimes people say, your journey looks amazing, it looks so easy. But for me, many days feel more like going to the aqua park with the kids right after breaking your leg. What you don't see is how tired I become from playing, socializing, filming, and everything else that fills our lives, and how many breaks I need just to keep it going. In many ways, our entire journey has been shaped by what is happening in our family when the cameras are not rolling. It's kind of crazy when I think about it, but through the rehabilitation program I have gained new insights. I have grown, and I have been challenged. So from now on, I will try to share more of the other sides of our lives as well. Not just the sunsets and beautiful anchorages, with everything that is happening around us. Because this journey was never meant to be easy, but it is ours. And every day we learn a little bit more about how to navigate life's storms together.
Ja, det är precis. Alltså, vi bara slicka dressingen först, alltså. Det är så leia. För bara slicka det.
Sonja.
No. Yes.
She does know. Večerkajska, no, to nekaj. Večerkajska, jo får nok med noe. Bare slikk.
Altså, Lila, du är så leien akkurat nå.
Here we are testing out the new scooter for Karoline with lights in the wheels. And Victoria is carrying out the garbage. That's like a 5-minute walk, so I'm joining. Let's have fun. Keep smiling. Good. This is an unexpected morning. Last night we had a walk around the area, the marina, and we saw this boat. Upside down. And it wasn't really windy yesterday, so we don't know. Probably water coming into the hull and flipped it over. But strange anyway, since it was in the marina. They'll probably haul it over to the shipyard over there and and then haul it out. But the engine has been underwater for probably 30-40 hours now. So I don't know what's to save there, but the hull might be fine. No stress.
Ma è un sorriso per la stampa. No, l'aria è buona. C'è un pizzo lì. Però ora devo cambiare il collo, devo fare.
Yeah. It happens. It happens. I'm just glad it's not us. future music player here. Guitarist. Practice makes a champ. I guess we need some more practice here. In the beginning, it's just about finding the interest. Good. To you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hooray! Very
Norwegian
good.
version?
No, I think we need to pop the cake.
Pop the cake!
Pop the cake.
Pop the cake!
Pop the cake.
Yeah, there's a knife there.
I don't know.
Do you like your room, Karoline?
Yeah, it's so funny.
She has never had such a big bed ever.
Perfect.
And there even is a bathtub in the bathroom.
You can see the snow.
Wait,
The snow outside.
But it's snow.
and braid.
Fishes.
I know I got.
Ooh.
Go in your verses and take on
Is it nice?
Alright, I will show you where I'm supposed to be, where I'm going to be for the next 3 weeks. It's not the kind of backyard I'm used to from the boat, but yeah, that's how it is. Well, I must say, being in the woods, in the forest, it's my room for this week's every day. This is just magical. Look at all these trees. I'll definitely be coming out here once or twice a day, just to get the time going by and relax. This is just beautiful. So here I am in rehab for long fatigue. The rest of my family is also in Norway, but far away from me, so I won't see them for 3 weeks. I thought this was going to be easy as it can be, but the program, I thought this was going to be as easy as it can be. The program was just a couple of things to do every day. But how wrong was I? Even I was surrounded by lovely nature, and I even got to see the northern light, but only the second day, because the first night I was so tired I fell asleep early in the. So I think we should all just enjoy these lovely pictures and remember to enjoy the little moments in our everyday life. And I will tell you more about my stay and all of the other challenges we now have to face in the next episodes. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.